Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Stephanie coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Friday, April 17th, 2015. In the village of Schaumburg, it is currently 55 degrees. We are expected to have a high of 77 and a low of 53, with mostly sunny skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge. Our pledge people for today are
Alia, Brandon, Giselle, Sayeda.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
In sports, all Chicago teams had the day off. The Blackhawks will play their second playoff game against the Predators tonight. Go Hawks! There is only one club meeting today, the Green Thumb Club at 11 o'clock in room 112. Congratulations to Mexico's 6th grade photo club for their recognition by the school board. Here is a new Cool Tool video created by our PBIS ambassadors.
Miss Archibald told the class to finish writing their book report.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, put it on pause for a second, please. Thank you. Putting it on pause, everyone. Great. You need to wrap up with your projects. We're going to be out of here in about 4 minutes. And so you need to finish up, say what you're doing, and then we'll print it. Okay? All right, go for it. All right, just a reminder, you're shutting down just like these ladies are doing, and we're going to head out of here. So please make sure you're doing that. When I ask before the shut down, I would like for you to be respectful and show good manners by following those directions. Please, let's make that happen. Thank you.
Even though you say nothing rude, you are still not showing good manners by not following the directions.
Now a message from Miss Stepney.
Good morning, Hoover Hawks. I am here to say congratulations to Miss Sitko's 6th grade photo club, who was recognized by the school board last night. I had an opportunity to see their photos, and they did a wonderful photo collection of the alphabet from letters A through Z. So they did a great job. If you see them, wish them a congratulations. I also want to say the Chicago Bulls have a playoff game tomorrow night, so go Bulls! And now I'm going to pull some Herbie high fives. And they're pretty full, so I've been mixing them up very well. Anyone that's name is called after the announcements, you can go into the main office. Lizbeth from room 106. Sankit from room 116. Too many. I cannot read that one. Let's pull another one. You guys got to remember to print for me and Mr. Schmauser. Alexis from room 121. Jonathan from room 110. And Janaya from room 106. Now I'll pull some from intermediate egg. And there was a class that just dropped some off right in the nick of time. All right. From room 204, Nikki. From room 213, Michelle. From room 202, Gracie. From room 203, Amanda. We got a good mixture, variety of students. From room 210, Kenna, and one more. And room 202, Krishna. Congratulations to those students. And remember to be the reason someone smiles today. Enjoy the warm weather and have a great day.
Here is today's interesting fact. Did you know that flamingos get their pink color from the food they eat? A flamingo is born white or gray. It takes about 3 years to get its pink color from eating shrimp, plankton, algae, and crustaceans. This week's live broadcast was brought to you by your 6th grade studio crew, the Production Panthers. Have a funky Friday!